Hello everyone. This is Ajay Sitar from tri-vima Studio. Welcome to the channel. This channel is for sharing my ideas, designs, artworks, tutorials, helping others like me, and also encourage them to do the right 3D model. I will say right 3D model because it's not necessary that every time you should make a very high poly or very low poly or just so-called industrial standards. There are no standards. So today I'm sharing my favorite design, or I can say my dream design that my grandpa used to work with me. That this is my dream project, one of the dream project. That is my wooden toy tank. He made this tank for me in my vacation so I can play in the valley. I used to put a cracker on this nozzle and I lift a pulley and then I lighted the cracker and it bursts and it creates the picture of the tank is in the war. So see how it is made. Everything is in wood and a nails and a little bit of slightly metal plates in front and back. And this is the pulley for left, and this whole section also can be rotate 360-degree. And this was the ultimate design, and still it is one and only in the world. This design I have, and still it exists, and I have restored it well. And soon I will be restoring it more finely. But this is the complete dream I have. And I was many years I was when I started learning 3D. So I was carrying that dream that I will make this tank in 3D. So here I am. Let's start with it and let's see what we have. So these are the references I have collected. I have also tried to understand that how actually my grandpa had made this. So you see here this screw or a bolt which helps to pivot this upper section to rotate so-called 360-degree, and the rope which is tied to pulley and to the nozzle of the at the end of the nozzle. So whenever the pulley I can rotate and I have to remove this pin, and as I lift it up to lock it, I have to put a pin back in the specific hole to stay that pulley as at that condition, and I can burst the cracker and I can play with it. So same way here also, this part, these are the pulleys. Actually, we can put a lot of pulleys here to create more accurate tank-like effect. So I'll try to do that. And this rope is tied up here. So according to this design, I used to tie also a thread or a rope here and a string, and I used to pull this to play. I used to roam around whole the area of my playground at the backyard of my native on this used to rotate accordingly together with the tied up with the rope. So this was the concept. See, I'll show you more images. Yeah, you can see that the nozzle has faced a lot of wars of Diwali crackers. So this is the exact condition I have. I promise I will restore this. See the design. Simply design is made. Most of the part is made by hand, by his own hand, working with his perfect tools. So these are it. And see, this angle exactly looks like a real tank. So this was the inspiration and the dream to create. So you can see here a little thin metal sheet of galvanized or the aluminum, and it has been nailed up to. So he also understood that whenever I can drag it in the mud, in the wet sandbag mud or something. So this shouldn't go bad. So see how the season protection has made it just for a simple toy, which is made by scrap wood and all, and unused wood. And this toy is now around, I can say, 37, 35 years old toy, approximately. I'm not sure about, but I remember I can recalculate at around it is 35 years old toy, and still it is as it is. So here are the, see how the simplest design we have. So I will start creating this. How I will be creating, I will use Blender 3.0. I always work in that. My many products are in Blender market. You can go and check tri-vima Studio. And also I am on YouTube and Instagram. Do check, do like, share, subscribe. Ask your question related to Blender 3D, and I'll try to answer and reply you back with some good examples if it's possible. I love to connect. I love to share. So I expect to connect with you also. Thank you. And let's start. So here I'm using Blender 3.0. So first of all, we'll set up our scene. So I'll remove this default items. I will set the filter to uh, hide in viewport, disable in viewport, and render disable. So these all three options are must needed, I think. Then I change the collection name, that is my wooden down objects, the collection name. I will save it in the name. I will make a folder. Let's make folder of Blender files in the project folder, and one more folder I need, renders. The reference file folder is already been made. So in Blender file, I will see this. That is my wooden tank, tank 01. So this will be the file. So let's start. Now I need few more things. I will switch on the add-on called Shortcut VUI, which I use a lot, which helps me to share my use of keys in tutorial. So you guys can see whatever I've used, not now, but you can keep repeatedly watch my videos so you can understand whatever discuss my cursor or me or the actions of keys I've been done. So you can see repeatedly and you can learn from me also. So now this is the scene what I am having, and few more panels I have to see. So let's change this panel to shader editor. Let's right click and split by vertical split and change this to image editor. Now here I will bring up a reference which I will be referring, and I will start creating the model. So let's try this model first, this image. So drag and drop here. So this is your image and reference image. I do use references for color combination, for modeling, for like textures. So this is a much more easier concept of working in 3D, especially in Blender. I have not seen this much facilities in any other 3D softwares, but in Blender I did saw this, and I'm very fond and very love with it. And thanks for Blender organization, or you can say thanks Tom, the founder of Blender, which for me this successfully useful, completely strong software. So let's coming back to our project. That is, first of all, I'll try to create this structure, the body. So let's create a cube. Let's push this cube to z-axis 1. Then see front. So go to wireframe. So press Z and select wire. Just tap to go to edit mode and select all, and scale means S and X. So I can join this now. Wife Now this now seeing wireframe from right view, that means side view, again scale and y-axis now. So I'm changing this to here. Let's push this to a little up. Let's push this a little further. This one will back little, not much. This should be less. This should be more. And I think we need a little broader side. And yes, this is enough. I think so. This is much more lengthy. So let's push this further, and this will also get back. Set this something new. Set this here. Yes, I guess this is good. And yeah, this seems fine. So now this is the tank body. Now, according to this, I won't be creating such dents and scratches because I need now again I need this tank to be new. Or also this is for my grandpa's memory, so I'll make it a key, and that will be a new. And hope I may make one more tank for my kids also, but right now it's first for me. So this is the base. And if we see the wireframe to solid, this shows a little simple gray tone, so I will change it to a triangle. And now again, I need one more piece, that is this base, this this wood, and then later other woods. So let's select this, Shift D and Z to the top. Remove changes to MS3 and wireframe. Let's go to wireframe. Um, select it, edit, push this to what height it has. This is at round enough. This is at, okay, let's copy this and that's from not okay. Z axis copy, and then here, okay. Now I need this to be set, so I'll snap and correct this. So here the update, I won't change by again. Select it, switch off the snap option, press G, Z, and push this done. I guess this is enough. Little more. Okay. And now at the top view, select all and scale, Shift Z, so it won't scale in the Z axis. And invest to be here. And then let us push this here and use this span. And our use this, scale it here until Control R, keep it here. Now this polygon and this. So let's see face. Okay. And now check it to this. Shift, I'm sorry, Alt E and X2 along normal, and this we have done. Okay, this seems nice. Now let's have this clearly. Okay. So what if we rotate? It should rotate correctly. Now the thing is, it's not exact. So let's set this to center. Sorry, set this to geometry. Okay, now check. Okay. I need this tally back. So select all G, Y, and this here. So let's see, this is the center. Okay, and this is the line which I need to be as a center. So what I will do, I'll Shift S, cursor to selector. My 3D cursor comes here. go to edit object mode, set origin to 3D cursor, come back again to shift S and cursor to world origin, and then RZ, and this is your C. This is nice. It's perfect. Okay. So this is the base. So now what? Correctly done. Let's have this plus one cut here, so it will be fine for me. So this is the start. So I'll continue this on next video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep sharing, share your doubts. I'll love to solve regarding Blender 3D. Thank you.